Hello, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Ridwan. I will tell you about Sangkuriang and Tangkuban Perahu. Sangkuriang and Tangkuban Perahu. One day, Dayang Sumbi asked her son to go hunting with his lovely dog, Tumang. After hunting all day, Sangkuriang became desperate and worried because he hunted no deer. Then he thought of shooting his own dog. Then he took the dog liver and carried it home. Soon Dayang Sumbi found out that it was not deer liver but Tumang's, his own dog. So she was very angry and hit Sangkuriang's head. Inside then, Sangkuriang got wounded and scared and then cast away from their home. Years go by. Sangkuriang had traveled to many places and finally arrived at a village. He met a beautiful woman and fell in love with her. When they were discussing their wedding plans, the woman looked at the wound in Sangkuriang's head. It matched her son one who had lived several years earlier. Soon she realized that she fell in love with her own son. She couldn't marry him, but how to say it? Then she found the way. She needed a lake and a boat for celebrating their wedding day. Sangkuriang had to make them in one night. He built a lake with down just a moment away, and the boat was almost complete. Dayang Sumbi had to stop it. Then she lit up the eastern horizon with flashes of light. It made the cook crowed for a new day. That's the story I can tell. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.